I wasn't planning to make this video, but after what happened to my hair last week, I feel like someone needs to hear this. Most people treat hair fall the wrong way. They focus on oils, but the real solution starts with your scalp. This simple pawpaw and moringa spray changed everything for me. Your hair doesn't always need expensive oils. Sometimes the cheapest leaves around you work better. So in today's video, I'm showing you the exact recipe I accidentally created. The same one that filled in my thinning edges, stopped breakage and calmed my itchy scalp within days. Stay with me because this recipe only works if you prepare it correctly. Before I show you how to make this spray, let me quickly tell you why this combination works. Pawpaw leaves are rich in antioxidants and papain enzymes that will remove buildup, cleanse the scalp and open up all blocked follicles. Moringa leaves are loaded with vitamins A, B, E and iron. Everything your follicles need for fast healthy growth. When these two ingredients are combined, they do three major things. First, they help stop hair fall. Second, they reduce scalp inflammation. And the last, they wake up dormant follicles so hair can grow again. And honestly, I didn't expect the result I saw. The day this happened, I was making a simple herbal tea, just moringa and papaya leaves. When I was done, instead of throwing the leftover water away, I poured it into a bowl to cool, planning to drink it later. I dipped my fingers into the bowl and instantly felt how soft it made my skin. I said, let me just try it on my hair. Here are the things we need. Fresh papaya leaves, also known as pawpaw leaves. Fresh moringa leaves, also known as the miracle tree. And of course, some clean water. All these ingredients are what we need to prepare this recipe. Moving on, wash your papaya leaves and your fresh moringa leaves thoroughly. We don't want dust or insect getting inside our spray. Add a handful of papaya leaves and a handful of moringa leaves into a pot. Add water. I added 1 cup. Depending on the quantity, you can add more water and bring it down to a boil on medium heat. Let it simmer for 10 to 15 minutes. When the water turns greenish brown, you know it's ready. Turn off heat and allow to cool completely. Strain into a clean spray bottle. Very simple but extremely powerful. Can you see the color? This is so rich, guys. It is so rich and it will give you what you want. I have tried this and the result is so massive, guys. Look at that. The result is so massive. Please do not joke with this hair spray. Do not joke with this herbal spray. If you want your hair to grow long or you have itchy scalp, my dear, try this herbal spray. It works wonders and it will give you that visible result that you are looking for. If you have thinning edges, hair fall, bald spots, try this herbal spray. This herbal spray is a no joke at all. If you have stunted hair growth and you want to grow your hair long, try this recipe, try this herbal spray and come back to give us testimony. Now this is the most important part because how you apply it determines if you get fast results or slow results. Apply it directly to your scalp. Use your fingertips to massage for at least 2 minutes. And if you have a hair massager, that's very good. Use 3 to 4 times a week and store in the refrigerator for up to 5 days. After 5 days, discard and make a new one. Now that you've seen how I make this papaya and moringa herbal spray, always start with a clean scalp. You don't need to shampoo every day. but make sure there is no heavy buildup blocking your follicles. A clean scalp allows this spray to actually sink in and do what it's supposed to do. Take your time to lift your hair in section and spray evenly. Don't rush it. Massaging your scalp helps increase blood flow and activate your follicles. This is a leave-in treatment, so it continues working throughout the day. Apply hair cream and seal in with hair oil. Consistency is what transforms your hair, not perfection, not expensive product, just simple, steady care. Don't expect overnight miracles. Hair grows, but grows with patience. What you should notice first is less shedding, then a healthier scalp and new baby hairs. Those tiny strands may look small, but they are signs of life, signs of progress. If your hair has been stuck for months or your edges have refused to grow back, give this herbal spray a chance. Papaya leaf strengthens the follicles and moringa leaves nourishes them. Together, they create an environment where your hair can finally thrive. Wait, don't scroll yet. If you want more fast hair growth remedies like this, subscribe and turn on notifications. Here is what I want you to do before you go away. Drop a comment saying I'm starting this so I know you are joining me on this regrowth journey. Your journey might inspire someone else who is struggling with their hair right now, and it motivates them to start. If this video helped you in any way, tap the like button. It lets YouTube push the video to more people who need it. Your support means everything, and I can't wait to see your progress. See you in my next video. Bye.